Today we're going to be learning how to construct a cube using paper. First thing we have to do is take a square piece of paper like this one. It doesn't matter what size it is, as long as you have 16 squares that you can fold up. When we fold it up, we will have formed a building unit. These units are what you're going to use to build all the different types of origami pieces that you can make. Okay, so here we go. First you take it and you fold it exactly in half. Every time you fold it and crease it, use your fingernail and make the crease really tight. Open it up. You now have two rectangles, of which you're going to now fold the sides in to form four rectangles. And you're going to fold it just a little bit, maybe a centimeter less than the center line. Maybe a centimeter or 2 centimeters less than the center line. You're going to rotate 180 degrees, fold the opposite side in so that it matches. And then don't forget to crease as good as you can. Now that you've done that, you have formed four rectangles that are all congruent. They're all the same size. You're now going to go to the bottom right corner, fold it in kind of like a point of a paper airplane to the first line, a little bit less than the first line. Then you're going to take that corner and do the second fold the same way. This is just like making a paper airplane. You're going to rotate it 180 degrees and do it on the opposite corner. First fold, a little bit less than the line, make it parallel. Crease it nice and tight. Second line, make it parallel, a little bit less than the line. Crease it so it's nice and tight. So now you have opposite folds in the corner, and when you close it up, it should look like this. From this point, you stop, you make sure all the edges are creased down nice and tight, and it looks good. Then you go to the bottom left corner, and you're gonna fold it up so it's parallel to that top edge and a little bit less than that top edge. As you can see, I'm always folding it about 1/8 of an inch, 2 millimeters less than that top line. Then you're gonna rotate it 180 degrees. You're gonna take the bottom left corner again, fold it up to the top edge so it's a little bit less than the top line. Make it parallel. Crease it nice and tight. So now we have this. Now we're gonna take these little flaps and we're gonna tuck them underneath. Tuck it under like this. Tuck the other one under. You're almost done. If you've done this right, you should have a little bit of a gap in the middle here, which is perfect, because now you're going to take it and you're going to fold the building unit over that gap, and it'll just naturally fold since there's a nice little gap there. So now you have what we call two bunny ears. You're going to take the bunny ear and fold it back on top of it. And this time, do not fold it less. Fold it exactly so it fits perfectly flush with that bottom edge. Flip it over. Fold this one back so it's on top, perfectly flush, and crease it down. Now you have what I call a building unit. It looks like this. It takes 6 of these to build a cube. 6 of these to build a cube. Now I'm going to show you how to construct a cube. If you make 6 of them that look perfect, they should all stack up to look like this, 6 of them. Here's how we make the cube. You start with 2 of them. This one's going vertically, this one goes horizontally. These are ears. These ears will always fit into the center of a different one, and it will always be perpendicular. Now that starts forming 2 faces of a cube.